Bitcoin is dead. Long live meme coins! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5. Staying live in Dubai. Oh man, you know what? The meme coins are partying and we're going to be doing some trades with Bitcoin at the end of the show and go over the news. Right before that, to show you what's going on with the meme coins, what's going on around the world of crypto, right? If you're interested in trading, you can head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below, right? Check out Waffles' website, right? And our plans, because we're going to get to $50 million market cap. So hopefully you got some. And yeah, if you're interested in watching this live and getting, tips on which crypto to buy, right? Head over to davincij15.com. All right. PEON coin, right? I don't know if you guys have been watching my Instagram, right? People like my Instagram is the place to go for crypto tips. And people go they're just watching, right? And so, boom, explosion of epic proportion. So you missed out, and you missed out on org too, right? I'm sure you did, right? Because we told you, right? And then, you didn't buy. You didn't buy for the last few days, and boom, the diamond handlers win, and you lose. Same with Waffles coins. You can check out. You can buy Waffles at 2bit.davincij15.com. Waffles is it's broken. It's stealthy, right? This is a stealth move, right? We ain't playing. We are going to break out heavily now, right? And the target for this breakout, I believe, is well over the 5 cents mark. So look out for an explosive move to 5 cents. And then we're going to probably, keep it pushing and go all the way to 10 cents or even close to it. So, hey, hope you got some waffles on your hands. And look at this. This is the most popular meme coin going out there. It's so popular, right? That I'm betting big on this thing. All right. I got a lot of money riding on this thing. Lot. Right? And I know it's going to take off, right? Meme coin PEIPEI emerges the top gainer among the leading 500. Yes, it is the horse that I've jumped on to, and yeah, I'm gonna probably be an ambassador of this goddamn thing. Jesus. And an Ethereum-based meme coin has emerged as a top gainer among the 500 largest cryptocurrencies. The assets uptrend began on the back of a mild recovery effort from the broader market, followed a drop in Bitcoin. Yeah, selling pressure. Before now, PEIPEI was a victim of the market-wide bloodbath. It's collapsing 43% from its previous all-time high, all the way to this. And then I came along with my Instagram story. And this is and now it's here. If you guys want to check out what the news, this link is going to be in the description below. We won't cover all these news items for today, right? Bitcoin buyer MicroStrategies announced a 10-to-1 stock split. That means all the stocks are going to be increased in number, and there's going to be more stocks. So generally that causes the stock to go up because people like to buy, with small amounts of money, a cheaper asset. So for example, that's why PEIPEI is so popular, because you can buy a lot of it, right, with a small amount of money, right? And the same thing will happen here. You can buy for one of the stock today, you can get 10, and people like having more of something than less of it. Okay. Bitcoin's correlation to S&P signals a big move ahead. Yeah, probably. But yeah, we're going to cover this thing. Let's just go over some of these things we're going to cover. The Bitcoin price phase cycle. Yeah, it is clear, right, that we're entering an only phase of the crypto cycle. The next 12 to 18 months will be incredible. Buckle up, strap in, and ready for a rock and ride. Because it's going to be amazing. Man, if you take the time today, if you're like watching this for the first time, or watching my shows for the first time, and you don't have any crypto, right? You in the right spot at the right time. You need to take some time, find out how to learn how to use this stuff. I know it's going to be hard. I know it's going to be difficult, but it will be so worth any pain that you feel that you have to go through when you see how much money you're going to be making in this crypto cycle. It will be incredible. Germany's BTC selling nears an end with only 4,925 Bitcoin left to transfer. Oh, they're going to regret that. Us Bitcoin holders are going to make them regret it. Thank you for sharing those Bitcoins with me, because I need some more. And I will get more, thanks to Germany. All right, last news. Coinbase launches a consolidated on-chain wallet app. I would be careful with any hot wallet app, whether it's, it's MetaMask or Solflare. You should really also use a hardware wallet for the bulk of your funds. Anything that you're going to, just assume that you could lose it in a hot wallet. Don't leave it there, right? Think about it. Say to yourself, is it a disaster if I lose these coins, right? And if that answer is yes, it should go into a hot wallet. And you should not interact with smart contracts with a cold wallet, although you can. You should always transfer whatever you need to interact with a smart contract to a hot wallet, such as the ones that Coinbase. Because you never know that since Coinbase messed up a lot of times, they could mess up on their wallet, and then somebody could drain the developer could drain your wallet. So you gotta be careful with those things. So with the TA for today, you can see, oh man, really Bitcoin? You're gonna stop me out, aren't you? Thanks a lot. Appreciate that. That's just the way it is, right? Like I said, I'm still telling you, right? We should reopen. If we get stopped out, reopen at 2% here. It is what it is, right? But keep in mind, right? You could just ignore my advice. And that's okay. Because you say, the trend is your friend to the end, right? Bitcoin is rolling over here. Let's just go with a short. Yeah, you could do that, right? But, this is, we're going to bet on the divergence, right? So let's do that. And so I really think that we can get a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio right down here if we fail. This was only 1% into this, so we're going to do 2% here, and then, see if this thing takes us to the promised land up there, right? Doesn't mean the trend has changed, right? Up here, if it comes up here, right? Comes up here, it doesn't mean the trend has changed, or even right up here, right? It does not mean the trend has changed. It just means that, it's just a short-term blip to retest the lows and then push through again. So that's a possibility, a higher possibility. Ethereum, you see, I told you Ethereum was holding the line, but then it has to come back here. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I should take out that trade. Yeah. You know what? Let's cancel this trade. Because if Ethereum I would have been more likely to be right if Ethereum hadn't done this, right? It's retesting the support level, and that's not good, right? So I'm gonna say, let's not do the next trade. If this fails, we're walking away. With that said, what's the trade here? Well, it looks so bearish. Jesus, come on, Ethereum, what you doing? Right? This is a bearish situation. Now, we should temper our bearishness because we could see one more bounce here before we actually break down. So I would either go bearish here, or no, you know what? I don't do that. Actually, I always wait for it to come back. So right about here, yeah, that's right. And we're gonna do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This is so bad, right? Because it's creating a head and shoulders pattern here, and that's it. Good night. Okay? Good night, sweetheart. So not good, because if it gets down into this area, it's not good. It of course, it has to break this lower level before we see even further downside, but man, not good for Ethereum. So I have to take back my analysis. Okay, so, well, that's okay on Bitcoin. So with that said, still, PEIPEI has some more room to run. It is going to the 4,000s or more. I think the 4,000 is just the early beginning. We're going to see this thing run all the way up to 8,000 or more, right? Because the team is well managed, and even they manage the whales, like myself, very well. So they talk to us. They talk to the people who really support the projects. And so yeah, I know what they're doing. I know what they're doing. And I have the confidence to hold large sums of money as this thing rises. So there we go. So let's do this like a Buddhist, right? If you guys want to make some money, there it is, PEIPEI. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys coming in and learning about crypto with me. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.